question, 1 marks question, 2 marks question, and also 3 marks question. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also check my playlist of pair of linear equations in 2 variables for class 10th maths. Now let us continue with the last series of this LBS solution, that is of 4 marks question. So students, this graphical method is very most important for your examination. It will be asked for 4 marks. For graph 2 marks, and for this distribution you are having the 2 marks. So let us discuss. Solve the given pair of the linear equation by graphical method. So there is a 2 equation here. 2x plus y is equal to 6. 2x minus y is equal to minus 2. So first step, you have to get 2 points at least to draw it in the graph. So here I will take the first equation and I will substitute the value. So first I will take 0 as the value of x. So 2 into 0 is 0, plus y is equal to 6 means you will get the value of x, y as 6. If you substitute the value of x as 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus y as 0, you will get the value as 6. So 0, 6, 3, 0. Same thing do for the second equation, that is 2x minus y is equal to minus 2. Here if you substitute x as 0, you will get the value of y as 2. If you substitute the value of x as minus 1, you will get the value of y as 0. So if you take 0 and minus 1, you will get the value of y as 2 and 0. Now this is the first step you must. Second step, you have to draw the graph. In the graph you have to plot. You already know this is x-axis, y-axis. So both are positive. Here x dash and y dash. So these both are negative. Now always remember, while you are plotting the points on the graph sheet, you have to write the scale. So scale is very important. So what is scale, you may ask me. So scale is nothing but what if the distance you are taken from one point to the another point of this box. That is 10 vertical and 10 horizontal line will be there. So you can take 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter for this problem. The next step, you have to plot. So here x is 0 and the y is 6. So here you can see x is 0 and y is 6. So this is the first point of the first equation. Next, if you take 3, you will get the value of x as y as 0. So this is one pair of the linear equation. Next, same thing you do for the second equation. Here x is 0 and y is 2. Where it is? So 0 and 2. So this is the first point. Next, if you take minus 1, you will get the value as 0. So it will be here. So you are getting on one more line here. So this line is intersecting. Then you can see here in which point it is joining. At the point of x is 1 and y is equal to 4. This is the joining. So you should write x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. So these are the steps you have to follow in the graphical method. So this is very important for your examination. It will be asked in your examination for 4 marks. Only the equations of 2 are given different, but the method you have to follow is same. So first thing, you have to plot. For that you have to find the points in the 2 equations. Then substitute in the graph and you will get 2 graph or 2 linear equation or 2 linear piece of the graph or the line. Then in which point it is joining, that you have to take it as cut graph here. So here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. So same method you have to follow for the other problems. So let us continue with the next problem. Question number 46. Again here, observe. Solve the given pair of the linear equation by graphical method. X is plus 2y is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 2. First substitute, you will get 0, 3 and 6, 0, where it is plot. So 0, 3 means this point, that is point A. Then 6, 0 means that is point B. So draw this line, join this. Then x plus y is equal to 2. Another equation is given here. Here also you will get 0, 5. You can take any value, but only 2 points should be there. So 0, 5 means, so you are getting 0, 5, then 5, 0. So you will get this equation. So if you join, you will get the value of x as minus 2 and the value of y as 4. So this is regarding the graphical method of question number 46. So here already I told you scale is important. You can see here scale. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1. You can take different units or different centimeter, but if you take 1, it is very easy to plot the graph. Question number 47. So same thing you have to do here. So take this as homework and comment your answer. So practice this graph in the graph sheet. You will get the proper answer. Question number 48. Solve the given pair of the linear equation by graphical method. It is already asked in March 2025 exam in your annual examination paper. Again here 0, 3, then one more is 6, 0. 6, 0 is here, sorry, 0, 5 and 5, 0. So join this line, you will get here x as 4 and y is equal to 1 as the final answer. So this type of graphical method is asked in your examination for 4 marks. So next question, again take it as homework. So similar method only you have to follow it. You will get here x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0 when you solve finally. So x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. Here it will be intersecting. This is regarding question number 49. Question number 50. Solve the given pair of the linear equation by graphical method. Again the equation is given 2x plus y is equal to 6, 2x minus y is equal to 2. Substitute. You can take more than 2 points. Here if you took 0, you will get 6, 1, 4, 2, 2. So 0, 6 means you will mark here 1, 4, 1, 4. So 1, 4, 1 is in x and 4 is there in the y-axis. So here it will come. Then 2, 2 means here. So you can join this line easily here. This is for the equation, first equation, that is 2x plus y is equal to 6. You should write here like this. Next second one, if you take 0, you will take minus 2. So 0 and minus 2. So these are minus 2 here. Okay. Then 1, 0. 1, 0 means here it will come, and 2, 2. You will get one more equation here. So you will get here the x value is 2 and also y, the value of y is also 2. So this is regarding question number 50. Solve the given pair of the linear equation by graphical method. So this method you have to follow. And also you can see here again, don't forget to write the scale. So it is given again 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit only. So this is the last question of this LBS series of chapter 3, pair of linear equation in 2 variables. Let us solve the last problem. Solve the given pair of the linear equation by graphical method. That is 2x minus y is equal to 7, x minus y is equal to 2. Substitute the value and plot the graph. So you look at the cut graph as x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. So thank you for watching my video. In the next video, let us discuss the one more new topic of the LBS solutions, or I may continue with the exercise problem also. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also do comment in the below which is I given as a homework. So simply don't watch my video. Please solve it on your paper and practice. So this graph method, graphical method, solve in the graph paper only for your better performance. Thank you for watching my video.